Hi, this is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And because it is June, I'm sorry, I got that on somebody. Because it's June and it's time to get out in the garden and people are getting ready for family get-togethers, it's time to make sure you've got your garden areas and your little front door and your patio ready for company. And so I saw this cute little cherub angel. And cherub angels they're pretty common, but I've never seen one holding a bunny before, and I think she's just precious. Let's see if I can put her up there so you can see her. So I have her here in the ivy, up around the stones by the pond. But you can see the detail, you can see the little rabbit. She's just precious. She's got her little legs crossed. You can see her little hands holding the bunny. And this is a good size resin figurine, probably about 15-16 inches tall. So by 12, maybe by 12. So not obnoxiously big, but perfect for even like tabletop. You could put her on top of like a centerpiece for a table on the patio. You could use her inside or outside. So you could even use her as a little doorstop inside or in a bathroom. Or you could put her by the front door, or maybe in front of a grouping of pots with flowers in them on the patio. And I mean, she's really good for all year. So you can use her anywhere. She's not too small and she's not too big. But I wanted to share her with you and how she kind of looks in a setting. I'll try to stay out of the shadows, but there you can kind of see her from the side. I'm getting an idea of how cute she is. The girls down here, I'll give you a peek, they want to eat. Anyway, so be sure and check us out on our website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. And give us a like on Facebook. And when you're on the website, be sure and sign up for our newsletter. We're going to start a contest here in the next few weeks where you can, by signing up just for the newsletter, you'll be entered into a contest to win a $50 gift certificate for anything you choose on the website. So have a wonderful week and happy gardening.